Hey guys, because of the small decisions that you take in the trading thing can give a very big impact on what you're doing, right, in your life, right? Okay, so we'll just try to see a small example how to take a decisions, right? Okay, and if you are there, what you'll be doing, just a few explanations, and let's see, guys. All right, how to the main thing is what you will do if you are there, right, to take the decisions, right? Okay, it's all about the decisions. All right, okay, so let's go, guys.
Okay, guys, so let's go, right? So today we'll be talking about small importance of decisions, right? Okay, how the decision can affect you, right? Plus, which decisions you'll be taking it, right? Okay, and another thing is like accepting few things of acceptance, right? Okay, I just wanted to give you the simple example. One car was parked. The one car was on the road, right? He was like not moving, right? The driver had parked the car on the road, all right, and the one truck suddenly came from the back and hit that car, all right. Okay, now the damage is done for the both truck and the car, all right. Okay, but the driver, right, don't want to accept the things, right? He have done the damage, right? Since the truck driver is saying that, okay, you have parked your car on my way, so it got heated, right? And he don't want to accept that he have done mistakes, right? And the person who is like inside the car, small car, right? Okay, so he's saying that, your car came all the way from back and you heated me, right? I was like just I was parking on the road, and I was here, right? And it's your total mistake, right? Okay, so what I mean to say is, guys, all right, so they are fighting with each other, right? Okay, so they are not accepting their mistakes, right? Okay, whenever the human nature, right, whenever it comes with related to the money or any assets or anything, right, human easily they don't accept the their mistakes, all right, and the losses, right? Okay, so same for thing for the trading as well, right? Some people will find it for the long positions, some will say short positions, but it's un- it is like important to understand, right, each other, right? Okay, so what he's thinking, why he's thinking, right? Okay, it's not totally that you're wrong, I'm going long, I'm going short, not like that, right? So I think we need to review it, have a habit of accepting the losses, accepting our mistakes, right? Okay, so human nature is a little bit not good sometimes, right? Okay, so most probably I just wanted to share that one with example now, right? Okay, so let me take the example of W pattern one more time, right? Okay, so I just wanted to say that human easily don't accept the mistakes, right? While it is related to money or any assets or things, right? Okay, so when he have to bear the losses, right? Okay, so let's take example of the W patterns, right? So one person, one trader is trader number one is going to go for the long over here. Am I right? Because this is double bottom patterns and it's breaking out, right? As soon as it gives a small breakouts, he's going to long from here. All right. One trader number one says that he wants to go for the long, right? Okay, so he's not incorrect. He's correct, right? He's correct, absolutely correct, right, guys? Okay, so one trader wants to short it from here because like he thinks that market is going to give them the liquidations, right? Okay, so it may give or may not give sometimes, right? Okay, so he thinks that market is going to give the liquidation. Firstly, he wants to short it and take out the people who have long over here, right? So he's shorting on a down, targeting towards the downside. One person is targeting an upper side, thinking that market is going to give you breakouts to an upper side, and he is longing an upper side, right? Okay, just example, right? Trader number one and two, what you'll do in this levels, if you are there, right? You follow trader number one or trader number two, right? And there comes the last trader, right, which is saying that market firstly let it do the liquidations, right? He will wait for this levels. Once the market happens finish this liquidations, he will wait for this levels, and when it comes up, he wants to go for the one long positions above this levels, right? So he's waiting over here, right, until and unless market is not giving you the liquidations, he's doing nothing, right? Trader number three. All right, if you are there, which decisions will you take it, right? Yeah, right. Everyone is right over here, right? Okay, so if the market happens to give the liquidations, it might like to go. If the market happens to give the breakouts, he is right. he's right, right. Okay, so it's about the decisions. What I mean to say is what decisions you are taking in this level, right? Okay, so it's not about wrong and right. All right, if the market moves, then one person is getting right. Either this will be fulfilled or this will be fulfilled. So third person, which is little bit having a patience, right? Okay, he's observing. Even if market wants to go directly, let it go. Otherwise, I'm just waiting for the market to go down, right? Liquidate the people who have long positions, and while coming up, I'm going to go for the long, right? So if you are there, which trader will you follow? It's about decisions, right? Simple decisions, big impact, right? Okay, but everyone is right over here. Okay, they are not incorrect right now, but it's about the decisions, right, guys? What I mean to say is which decision you are taking, your reward is what you do in the market, right? Your actions, right? Okay, that is a reflection of your actions in the market, right? Okay, so which you are taking, it's up to you all, right? But you are taking one, all right, whichever it is. So it goes something like that, right, guys? Okay, so I'm just giving you the simple example so that you can understand how you are taking the decisions, right? Okay, so if you are there, will you long, short, or wait, or whatever you do? So it depends, right? How much what rewards you are getting, right? Okay, so that's all, guys. Have a good time. Hope that was helpful for you all. Just I want to narrate simple things, all right, related. So hope if you are giving 100%, you hope you have understood what I mean to say, right? Okay, bye bye, take care, signing off, Dragon.